This is hands down the best pocket light that I have ever purchased. As you can see, it brights me up pretty darn good. What is up, you guys? It is your boy Taxi on the lens, and I just want to make a statement real quick. This is the best pocket light that I have ever purchased. It is called the LED6R by Godax. It's the Lightmons, so Litemons. This is the box right here, and this is how the light looks itself. This video is not sponsored by Godax. However, I will be putting an affiliate link down below for you guys to go ahead and pick this up if you want to, and I'll get a little bit of change off of it. But from my experience, I'm not gonna be trying to talk like all statistically and stuff like that about the products. I just wanna talk to you guys like a human, rather than just saying it has this many light modes and blah, blah, blah. Like, I want to just talk to you guys on a one-on-one level. Like, this is truly the best light that I've purchased. So good that I purchased two of them. The first one that I had purchased, I dinged up myself. I got it real dinged up, and it was like almost broken, but it was still working for some reason. But I just was like, I want a cuter one. I want one to look a little bit better. But it comes with this little diffuser light thing on it, and I really like this light, bro. Like, it's not even, there's no cap in my wrap. So basically what it does is you can put it on your camera. It has a little like hot shoe thing for you to like tighten it onto your camera, but when you turn it on, it's when the magic happens. So this is the this is like one of their FX lights. So this says FX, but it has multiple different modes. Like, for example, you can go to regular. You got it all the way up to 100%, and on 1% it's actually pretty bright. Like, for example, I use this for like different club events and stuff like that, like nighttime, like nightlife events, and at 1% for my Sony a7S III, it does pretty great. Like, I feel like I don't have to do much extra just to like make it stretch and go that extra mile. So like at 1%, this is how bright it is at 1%, and as you can see, it brights me up pretty darn good. Like, and then with the Sony a7S III, which is already good in low light, it just adds that little bit of extra light that you need. Because when you're shooting an event, you don't want to disturb the people of the event. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want to come to them with like no really big old bright light, and now they're looking like, oh my gosh, now they're blinded. They don't want to dance no more. You don't want to do that to them. So yeah, man, I'm in love with this light. I really am in love with this light. It has little hot shoe mounts on it, so like you could like put like a microphone or another light, like another one of these lights. You could like pair it up with multiple of these lights. I've seen some people do that, like build rigs and stuff like that. You could put a microphone. I put a mic on top. I'll put a mic on top or a mic on the side. I film artists, so I do a lot of behind the scenes. So like, it's a really nice compact setup for me, and it allows me to like. It's a really nice compact setup for me, and it really allows me to like get in those tight corners and like light up a whole scene like with just one little light. And on 100%, it lasts 2 hours. So yeah, it lasts me about 2 hours, man. Probably even more, because I'll be going up from 100 down to 1. It lasts me literally all day. And one day I forgot to charge it, and it was at half, and it still lasted me through that night. So I really say I love this, man. It's a USB-C charger port. I love it. It goes up to 650 Kelvin. I think it might go higher than that. Does it? Hold on, let me see. No, it goes 600, max out 650 Kelvin, and you can change the temperature of it to like warmer tone. You can change it to like more of a white tone. I'm in love with this light, bro. We're at 6% right now. You got different FX modes. It has a button that says FX on it, so you guys can see it bouncing off my face. This is the candlelight one. This is the fire one. This is fireworks. This is the police one. Let me turn the brightness up so you guys can see it too. Hold on. Oh, this is an ambulance. This thing is cool, bro. 13. This is SOS. So it has 13 different like FX light modes, and it's fun. It's really fun to play with, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, let me go to 100%. Like, you can use this for product. You can use this for product photography, product videography, little stuff that you want to like light up. But this is at 60%. Really bright, bro. Do you see this? This is crazy. And it's a really nice, bright, soft white light that you could really just use to like as an accent to light up anything. Do you see this right here, man? But how I pair it with my camera is I'll twist this thing off, put it on my camera, and then I'll twist it back tight, and it's just like this. Like, nice, quick, easy. Turn it on, turn it off. Quick shooter, bum 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 bum. Making a video, cause I do a lot of different I do like nightlife videography and stuff like that. So it really comes in handy, bro. It really does come in handy. It has so many different modes. It's like a bigger version of like one of my 6600 Neewer lights. Like, Neewer just made a the brand Neewer, they just made their own little mini light. So if you guys want, I'll purchase that and try that out for you guys. Just like, it's stuff that I need anyway. So if you guys leave in the comments some things that you guys know that you want to see, that you want to buy for yourself, but I'll buy it so you don't have to, or something like that. I might start a series like that. I bought blah blah so you didn't have to, or something like that. But yeah, nah, the best light. This is the best light that I've ever purchased. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Best light that I ever purchased. Link down below for it if you guys want to try it out. It was $34. too. Pretty chill. $34.99. I thought it was gonna be more expensive than that. It was $34, bro. Like I feel like that was very worth it. For everybody that's starting out, you need a little pocket light, bro. Oh my god, I forgot to tell y'all. This thing is magnetic also. So it sticks to like anything. What can I get it to stick to? I don't know. This is not metal. Oh, look. Hold on. Is they gonna... Magnetic. Y'all see that? Magnetic. It's magnetic, y'all. It stick to the metal on my camera. I'm about to go try to find something metal to show y'all, but it does it right there. It does it right there. Thank you guys for watching again. Your boy Taxi in the Lens. Want more gear reviews? Let me know. We're out.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.